Exhaling down.
Go up.
Upper leg, knee towards the ceiling. 7, 7. Exhale. Placing your both the palms behind, raise the chest. Ekam inhale. Ekam exhale. Both the knees to the right. Head lift. Flex the foot. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Dve, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Trini, exhale. Chatvari, inhale. Chatvari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Pancha, exhale. Shat, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Astau, inhale. Astau, exhale. Stay at your right side. Hold here. Now get your right foot on the left knee. Right foot on the left knee. Turn the head opposite side. Holding here. Shift your chest forward. Do not lean back. Keep lifting the chest and minimize the support to the floor. Eyes closed. Dhyana at your eyebrow center. 1. Om. 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 Come back to center, change the side. Both the legs at the left and your left foot at the right knee. Flex the foot and shift the body weight forward. Relax the shoulders, move the shoulders away. Turn the head, eyes closed, and mentally say 3 times Om. 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 Inhaling and come back. Exhale, release. Now get your elbow down on the floor. Reminder for the goal of the class, digestive abdominal groups. 1, 1, 2, 2, but not leaning. Lift. Engage the shoulder and elbow. 3, leg engaged. 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Hold here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, up, 4, down, 5, up, 5, down, 6, halfway up, 6, turn right, 6, center, 6, left turn, 6, center, and circle. 7, 1, 2, 3, change, 3, 2, 1. Cross the legs. Eyes closed. Mentally chant. Hang, Rim, Clam, Chamundaya Viche, Om, Hang, Rim, Clam, Chamundaya Viche, Om, Hang, Rim, Clam, Chamundaya Viche. Lie down on the stomach, on the prone position. Keeping both the hands wide apart, like a swimmer. Open both the hands away from the floor. Both the hands, remove your bricks and move the body side to side. Keep your hands off, side, side, side. Shift. 2. On the belly. 3. Be on the belly. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. Last one, the 10. Right side you are holding the position. So open your both the hand first. First open your both the hands. I have given the instructions initially. Open your both the hands first. Yes. Raise your left hand up. Right hand is towards the prop side. Drop your head down. Take your hand behind towards the lower back. The upper hand towards the lower back. Upper hand towards the lower back. Wrap the hand. Now, the upper knee towards the ceiling. Bend your upper leg, knee towards the ceiling. The lower foot, namaskara. Lower foot will join in namaskara. So both feet in namaskara. Put it on the floor. Feet on the floor. Keep opening the knees wide and wide. Eyes are closed. Om, mentally chanting. Dum Durgaya Namaha. Om Dum Durgaya Namaha. Om Dum Durgaya Namaha. Inhaling, come back, exhale. Coming on the center. Now, front and back abdominal massage. Front and back abdominal massage. How to do this? Extend your both the hands forward. Now tell me, you tell me. I'm not lying down, so I won't be able to find out. So, front. No, I want you to pump. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Yes, what sir is doing, no? You have to do this. See, front, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Open your both the hands to the sideways, drop the head and relaxed. Have your breath. So when I say abdominal and digestive group, that means we cover PCOD. I keep getting calls regarding I want to lose weight. Weight gaining or weight losing is the outcome, but the action is work on digestive and abdominal groups, because that is the one who will give you the weight. So you have to work on that group of organs. So PCOD, diabetes, weight increase, thyroid, intestine, liver. For kidney, we do not suggest this. Yeah. Changing the side towards the left side, shift the body towards the left side. Take the right hand up towards the ceiling, drop the head. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper knee facing to the ceiling, the hand behind the body, and get your feet together in Namaskara. Open the knees, holding there. The knees are working, the knees are not closer, but the knees are moving apart. Okay, come back. Inhale. Triyak Bhujang Asana. How we will do Triyak Bhujangasana? You kindly remove your bricks today. Will open the hands wider than your mat, and then take your both the hands slightly back towards the chest, and then from here lift the chest up, nicely up. Now, mat distance wide, not more than that, and toes out, heels are in. Hold here. This is step number 1. From here, I have a restriction of the space, so I am doing it mat distance, but you do it more than the mat. Now from here, softly bend your elbows to twist to the right. When you are twisting to the right, engage your glute muscles. Don't go down, but just bend your elbows to twist and drishti to your left foot. Drishti left foot. Engage Swadhisthana chakra, the glute muscles, Mooladhara chakra. Squeeze it, inhaling to center and exhaling to the left side. Triyak Bhujanga. Inhaling center. Exhaling down. Go up again. Inhale up. First this and then twist. Exhale. Inhaling center up. Exhaling twist left. Inhaling center up. Exhaling down. The last one, 3 inhale. So your digestive and abdominal group is attached to the spinal cord. That's why we are working for this area. Softly go down to twist right. This is the third set. Inhaling to center. Exhaling to left. Centering inhale, lift up. exhale and down. Relaxed, cross the hands. Look. Now we do standing this kick. You are doing a supine kick. How to do this? Take your left hand down and Ritesh, give me the mat. So you are holding the position like this and then take the hands. You need to kick. How to kick? Exhale. Go back, exhale. This hand, upper hand is back.